Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing another Wet n Wild unboxing. This package just arrived at my doorstep today, which is February 11th, and it launches, well, when you're watching this, February 12th. The collection will be available in March in other drugstores and mass retailers. So I just want to share with you guys what's in this package so that you guys can get an idea of what's to come.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you. Set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
Okay, so right over here we have this Photo Focus Rose Toner. This is the Rose Multi-Use Oil, Rose Primer Serum, and a Jelly Balm. And then up here we have this little lip scrub. Hold on, there's still more. Right in here we have this blush brush, and then we have a little eyeshadow brush. There are 3 quads of eyeshadow palettes. This one here is called Bed of Roses, Secret Garden, House of Thorns. This here is a blush, and this is called Rose and Peace. We have 4 new shades of liquid lipsticks. This is their popular liquid catsuit, which I love. This one here is called Kiss of Death. This one here is called Bevient Damsel, Petal Poison, and Bud Romance. So I'm really excited to try this collection because I love their theme and their vision for this collection. It's basically everything that I mention in my description box and with every video. I'm like somebody that likes to step out of my comfort zone and do something different with my makeup. I'm gonna try to utilize as many products from this collection as possible. So that's why I started with my face bare, and I'm looking like a hot mess. I already know that. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to start off with this Rose Toner, and this is going to retail for $7.99. This is an alcohol-free, hydrating and soothing toner that refreshes, softens, and clarifies the skin while removing impurities. The packaging of this toner feels like luxurious because it's like made of glass. I wouldn't expect Wet n Wild to come out with something like this. So this smells like roses. It doesn't surprise me because the packaging said roses. After I'm like done washing my face, I like to take a toner and then just wipe my face down, and you'll be surprised with how much makeup you still have left after washing it. This toner made my skin feel like really hydrated. Just by the touch of it, you can like feel the moisture in your skin. Let's move along. The next item that I have in my package is this Rose Multi-Use Oil, and this is going to retail for $7.99. This is a floral infused multi-oil that can be used on body, hair, and nails. Are you guys seeing this? Look how cool that looks. Look at the roses in there. That is badass. I already said that my skin was hydrated, but it's winter time. You can't be too hydrated. I have never had a pimple on my nose, and this one hurts so bad. Oh. And this definitely smells like roses as well. Obviously, there's roses in the serum. I am loving this stuff. Alrighty, and then the third item in this box is this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose Primer Serum. I'm really digging this packaging. My skin's gonna be really moisturized. Oh, my nose hurts so bad. Like when I stretch out my skin like this, I can feel like my nose hurting. Since this is a primer, I like applying the most primer right in this area because that's where my pores like are more visible whenever I apply my foundation. The next item that we have in this package is the Perfect Pout Lip Scrub, and this is going to retail for $3.99. On here it says Rosa Damascena Flower Extract Infused Lip Scrub with extra fine sugar to exfoliate dead skin cells from lips. This is a pretty good size for $3.99. Yes, I just ate it. It didn't taste that sweet, by the way. But I do have to continue using it before I can actually judge it because, I don't know, my lips have been soft lately. So this is really unique. It's like greenish gray and it's clear. So let me read up on it before I say anything else. This is called the Perfect Pout Jelly Balm. This is going to retail for $3.99. This is a translucent black jelly balm with pH activated ingredients that transform to a sheer pink tint on the lips. Pink? Let's see. Alright, let's try this. Oh, this is so soft. It's like oil. Am I tripping or are they really turning pink? Alright, let's keep putting it on. My lips are so soft. Holy sh! They're turning pink! I like that. That's pretty cool. It looks like a gray color, like gray-green. And then it's turning pink. I like that. Okay, Jelly Balm, you can stop now. You're looking like I've been eating hot Cheetos all day. Alright, so these were the 5 items that were in the top part of the package. Now let's move on to makeup. Honestly, you guys, let me know what you guys think about this, but I have tried like almost every type of birth control and each and every single one of them has like the worst side effects on me. So right now I'm using like the copper IUD. That's a 10-year birth control that doesn't have any hormones because I can't do one with hormones. So I decided to do the one with no hormones, and I honestly, like, every time I get my womanly thing every month, you know what I mean? My skin just breaks out like so bad, and then also like I just have like cramps. They feel like contractions. If you've ever been pregnant, like it feels like contractions. It feels so bad, and for the first 3 days I have like really intense cramps, like awful. So I keep trying to convince my boyfriend to get fixed since he says he doesn't want any more kids, but he won't do it. I know that was totally off topic and I'm sorry, but since this is like a majority of girls here on my channel, I just kind of like want to know like your perspective on birth control and like what's worked for you. Oh my god, so I just noticed what these brushes are. You guys, this brush is a rose. That is so cool. Hi, how are ya? Alrighty, so this Rebel Rose blush brush. God, that's so confusing. Blush brush. Blah. This Rebel Rose This Rebel Rose blush brush is going to be retailing for $7.99. This unique rose-shaped inspired blush brush that delivers just the right amount of cream or powder blush to the cheeks. That was soft. Oh my goodness. I'm like not bullshitting you guys. This is really soft. Like I almost feel like I can apply some foundation with this. You know what is kind of weird about it though? I'm curious to know that if whenever you do wash it, if like the water is gonna stay in this little area here. I don't know, maybe I'll just dry it down like this, of course. But how cute is this gonna look? Oh! Will you be my Valentine? Oh my god, when it's like this, it's like kind of like Belle, you know, when the rose is inside of the thing. Okay, so this is the same thing. This is just like a little tiny one. This Rebel Rose eyeshadow blush is gonna be $7.99 and smaller, but the same price as the big one. This is the unique rose-shaped inspired eyeshadow brush that effortlessly applies and blends eyeshadow colors. I don't know. I feel like the bristles are a little bit too short with this thing around here. Like I can feel like this plastic part whenever I'm like trying to blend. I don't know. We'll see how it works though. Okay guys, so the palette that I decided that I was gonna use is this one here. It's called Bed of Roses. I really want to play with this shade range because it's a little bit darker and I don't know, they just kind of look really grungy to me, and I kind of want to go for a grunge type of eye look. So let's see what we come up with. I still don't know exactly what I'm gonna do. And I will show you the other 2 quads that are in this package, but let's just play with this one and then I'll share the rest of the items. The first color that I'm gonna be using is this one right here, and I'm gonna be taking this on a Carity E28 brush. This is like a firm shader brush, and I've already applied my base. So I'm just gonna be packing this eyeshadow on right at the crease. That is pretty pigmented. I'm hoping this eyeshadow blends out well. I feel like a lot of drugstore brands are really stepping up their game, and the fact that Wet n Wild is so affordable, I think that everyone just needs to watch out. Because just look at this. Well, before we say anything else, let's try to blend this out first. Alright, so now I'm going to be using the brush from this collection. This is the eyeshadow brush, and this is really fluffy, so I feel like this would be really good to diffuse this eyeshadow. So let's put it to work. And I kind of want to take this out a little bit this way. I feel like this brush is really working to diffuse out the crease. Like I said before, I'm not really fond of the outer edges of this brush because I feel them whenever I am like blending. Now I'm going to be taking this grayish purple color and I'm going to be applying that right on the lid here. I'm going to blend this eyeshadow into the other one, just so that we don't have any harsh lines here. And I feel like we need more of this color up here in the crease area, and I want it to look a little bit more diffused. So I'm taking the same fluffy brush and then just dipping it into this color and bringing it in the lid here. I'm going to be picking up this really pretty shimmery pink color, and I'm going to be applying this right at the brow bone, right in here. Okay, now I want to do something that I've been seeing all over Instagram and I want to give it a try. I'll be using my Green Clean Cleansing Balm, and this is a makeup remover. I'm going to go right in here to remove the eyeshadow that I just placed there. And I'm going to be doing a little heart cut crease right here. Now you don't have to remove it perfectly because we're just going to be putting concealer right there to clean it up and make it look more like a heart. So let's do that. I'm going to be very quiet in this part because I really want to focus on this cut crease. As you guys can see, it does look like a little heart sort of on my lid, but when I open up my eye like this, it looks really weird. It looks stupid. You know what though? Whatever, we're just gonna go with it. So I'm gonna go back in with this color right here. I sprayed some of this glow mist on my makeup table and I just dipped my brush in there after I applied some eyeshadow to the brush. And I'm just gonna begin packing it onto the eyelid here. This is a really beautiful shimmer color. I'm gonna grab the same grayish purple color and I'm gonna clean up the outer edges of the heart. Only because I did have fallout with that shimmer. Working my way around this here. Alright, so now before we move on to the lower lash line, I'm going to go ahead and apply the other eye, the rest of my face, and then we're going to come back and finish the eyes. Okay guys, so I just applied some concealer, and before I start applying any of the powders, we do have a cream blush in this collection, and I'm tripping out because this is not your ordinary blush. Let me go back in and read this because I'm tripping out on this right now. And the cream blush. Okay, the black cream blush that transforms to a flushed berry color on the cheek with pH activated ingredients that adjust to each person for a unique custom color. So this is very interesting. I'm going to be using this brush right here. This is the blush brush, so hopefully this works. I don't want to do too much because then if it gets as bright as my lips, I'm gonna look like a clown. But I am seeing that this is kind of pink. Wow. I'm just packing it now. It's gonna be bright as shit. This blush is gonna be $4.99. Okay, so for the lower lash line, I'm gonna be taking this 24-hour eyeliner, and this one is in the color Metallic Hot Pink. This is by Ruby Kiss Cosmetics, and I just want to continue playing with pinks here, so... Okay, and then underneath the lower lash line, I'm going to be taking this other color. This is a shimmer as well, but we're just going to work with it here because I want to make sure that I use every color from this little mini quad. Like I said, I want to utilize as many products as I possibly could. So this is one of their limited edition colors, and this is called Deviant Damsel, and this is the liquid lipstick. This is their matte liquid lipstick. I do have a couple of high shine lip colors, so this one is their matte one. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be outlining the heart using this liquid lipstick. I'm using one of the brushes from another liquid liner that I have. Okay, you guys, so if you guys do try to recreate this for some reason, let that liquid lipstick dry down before you look up. So that's why I'm talking while I'm looking down. So I'm just gonna look through my Instagram while this dries down, so be right back. Now I'm just applying some Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I should have let this glue dry down a little bit more. These lashes are just so freaking big. I ordered these off of AliExpress, thinking that they weren't going to be this dramatic, but shit. I'm going to be taking the Bodyography lip liner, and this is in the color Timber. On my lips, I'm going to be taking this Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit lipstick, and this is in the color Petal Poison. This is actually a high shine lipstick. Alright guys, so that completes this look. I really hope that you guys did enjoy it because I'm really fond of how the eyes look. Although when you do open your eyes, it's hard to tell that you have like little heart-shaped cut creases, but whatever. If you did enjoy this look, be sure to give my video a thumbs up. And then let's just go ahead and dive into the rest of the products so you guys can kind of get an idea of what is launching, and maybe you guys want to pick one of these up. This is another one of their eyeshadow quads, and this one is called House of Thorns. If I didn't use the one that I used today for this look that I did, I would probably use this eyeshadow palette because it's really different, the color concept, because I feel like different is my realm, you know what I mean? It's like my thing. Like whatever people don't really lean for is what I want. I think that this green is really pretty. Let me show you guys. So these four here are these colors. I'm really loving this green right here. So you guys should definitely be expecting some more looks using these little mini quads. The next eyeshadow palette is this one here called Secret Garden Rendezvous, and it looks like this here. I just don't feel like I would reach for this one as often as I would with those. I just feel like this color concept is not my style. But regardless, I'm going to show you guys some swatches. By the way, I did clean up my hands from the previous swatches. I shouldn't judge these colors until I actually play with them. I really like this one here. It's like a khaki color. Maybe I'm wrong and I'm really going to end up loving this palette. The color on my lips right now is called Petal Poison, and it is their High Shine lipstick. I'm going to show you guys the other three. This is the other High Shine lipstick in the color Bud Romance. And that's what that one looks like there. I don't know, I have to do something more subtle with my eyes if I'm going to be using this one. So that's why I just didn't feel like I could use it with this look. I feel like I overdid it with the purples. So I just wanted to bring some pinks to my lip. And then here we have the color Deviant Damsel, and this is a matte liquid lipstick. Oh shit. This is a really dark lipstick. Once I've applied it to my hand, it's pretty dark. Look at that. That's what it actually looks like in real life. It looks that dark. Once it dries down, it'll look a lot different. Right now it's still kind of wet. The next liquid lipstick that we have here is called Kiss of Death. This is another dark liquid lipstick. This packaging kind of like reminds me of like an anti-Valentine's Day type of thing. So that's that color right there. Let me turn it over so you guys can get a good idea of what it looks like. Alright guys, so that wraps it up for this Wet n Wild Rebel Rose collection. On my Instagram stories, I do kind of keep you guys updated as far as how the makeup that I review here on my channel is working for me. If you're not following me on Instagram, I'm going to put all of my social media links down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!